For the soup, I have 800 mils of chicken stock, 3 pieces of ginger, and 2. We add a little bit of pepper, and that's just going into my soup. Chop these king prawns. Add my water chestnuts, spring onions, teaspoon of corn flour, about a teaspoon of sesame oil, a tiny pinch of white pepper, so about a teaspoon of soy sauce, about a teaspoon of rice wine. A spoonful of this mixture, and I'm going to take it to the tip, going to pinch, expelling any air, and I'm just going to wet one of the corners. This corner then goes underneath, and this corner goes on top. Normally you would drop these wontons into boiling water rather than the soup. Of sesame oil, a little tiny pinch of spring onion, wonton soup.